Good evening, children. See, yesterday we saw up to 15th problem. Today we will see the 16th one. What is the 16th one? Just observe the figure. See, just observe the figure. See here, ADE, a big triangle. In that again, ABC is another triangle. See, he has given angle D, angle BAC, and this one AEC. Three angles he has given, and one more thing, AB equal to AC. He has given that AB equal to AC. If two sides are equal, their angles, corresponding angles are also equal. Angle B and angle C are also equal, that is equal to X. Angle B equal to angle C equal to angle X. We assumed that it has angle X. So what is angle A? 36 degrees. Angle B is equal to X. Angle C is equal to X is equal to 180. What is 180? Angle sum property. Angle sum property means total angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So here 36 plus x is equals to 180. 36 plus x 2x is equal to 180 degrees. So 2x is equals to 180. Here it is plus. So if you transpose this side, minus 36. 10 minus 6, 4. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, 4. Again 144 degrees. This 10 minus 6, 4. Yes. 2x is equal to 144. X is equal to 144. Here 2 is multiplying. If you transpose to the right hand side, it divides. 2 ones, 2 sevens, 2 twos. So x is equal to 72 degrees. If B is 72 degrees and C also 72 degrees, what they asked you? They asked you to find out angle ABC. Angle ABC. Angle ABC is equal to 72 degrees. Again angle ACB. ACB. Angle ACB is equal to 72 degrees. If two sides are equal, their corresponding angles are also equal. See, AB is equal means its opposite side, opposite angle is angle C. AC is equal, so its opposite angle is angle B. So these two angles are equal. Those are 72, 72. That is proved. Next one, angle DAB. We have to find out angle DAB. We have to find out this angle. This angle we have to find out. See, here. See, these two angles are linear pair, no? These two angles are linear pair. See. See, angle ABC plus angle ABD. Angle ABD is equal to 180 degrees. Linear pair. Linear pair. So, see, this one we don't know. Angle ABC. ABC 72 plus ABD. ABD we don't know. Angle ABD is equal to 180 degrees. So angle ABD is equals to 180 minus 72. 10 minus 2, 8. 7 minus 7, 0. Here 1. So 108 degrees. If this is 108, this one also 108. Now in triangle, we want this angle. This angle we want. This one we know. In a triangle ADB. Triangle ADB, angle A plus angle D plus angle B. In this triangle only is equal to 180. Angle sum property. So angle A is, we don't know. Angle D, just now, angle D 45 already given. Angle B, just now we found 108 is equal to 180 degrees. So 8 plus 5, 13, 4, 5, 153. Angle A plus 153 is equal to 180. So angle A is equal to 180 minus 153. So 10 minus 3, 7. 7 minus 5, 2. 27 degrees. Angle A is, that means angle DAB. Angle DAB. Angle DAB is equal to 27 degrees. See, first you have to find out the linear pair. In this triangle, if you know two angles, we can find the third angle. In the same way, he asked you to find out angle CAE. Yes, EAC. This angle we have to find out. This one we found 27. Here in triangle ACE, angle A plus angle C plus angle E is equal to 180. That is angle sum property. See, angle sum property. Now if you see angle A, we don't know. Angle C, we know. Here 72. These two angles are linear pair. So if this is 72, this one is, what is that one? 108. Here see, 108. In the same way here also, 108. Angle E, he has given 40 is equal to 180. Add these two, 8, 4, 148. Angle A plus 148 is equal to 180. So angle A is equal to 180. If you transpose this to the right hand side, here it is plus. If you transpose it to the right hand side, minus 148. So 10 minus 8, 2. 7 minus 4, 3. 32 degrees. This angle is 32 degrees. So angle A, CAE, angle CAE is equal to 32 degrees. See, in this triangle, the sum of any triangle, all the angles in a triangle is 180. We know this one. We know this one. We have to find out only angle CAE. In this way, you have to find out the angles. Okay. Next, see the 17th one figure. It's very easy. If you know the property of exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. See, if you take, we have to find out angle X, angle Y. These two angles we have to find out. See, angle X is the exterior angle of the triangle ABC. Angle X is the exterior angle of triangle ACB. So angle ACD is equal to sum of the opposite. This is exterior angle. You forget about this angle. You just observe only this triangle. You observe this triangle. See, if you observe this triangle, this is the exterior angle for this triangle. So exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite. You should not take this angle. Sum of the opposite two interior angles. Exterior angle is equal to. So angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. So X is equal to, X degrees is equal to angle A. What is angle A? 34 degrees plus 62 degrees. Total 96 degrees. Angle X is equal to 96 degrees. See, this one is 96. You forgot about this triangle now. You see, you just observe only this triangle. EDC. In triangle EDC, angle DEA. This is exterior angle for this triangle. Angle, in triangle this one, angle AED is the exterior angle. Exterior angle. Exterior angle is equals to the sum of the opposite interior angles. Angle AED is equal to angle D plus angle ECD. Angle ECD. So angle ADED means y degrees. Angle D he has given 24 degrees plus angle ECD we already found now. Just now we found 96. So 4 plus 6 10. 9 plus 1 10. 11 12. 120 degrees. Angle Y is equal to angle Y is 120 degrees. That's what he asked you to find out. Just see in this problem, very simple thing. You have to find out the exterior angle. That's all. For this triangle, this is the exterior angle. For this triangle, and this is the exterior angle. If you find the exterior angle, you will get x and y values. Okay. Up to see, this is the last and final problem of this chapter. Tomorrow we'll have one small test about this chapter, lines and angles. You please prepare for this chapter. Tomorrow in the next session, I'll give some 20 or 30 bits. You have to write. Okay. And keep it in WhatsApp group. Thank you.